انا كنت بدرس في مدرسة بريطاني لحد اعدادي، فانا عايز اعرف مستوايا وصل لايه. تعال نشوف مستوى وصل لايه بعد ما درست في مدرسة بريطاني. اسماء, tell me more about yourself please.
My name is Asma. I graduated from Faculty of Pharmacy from Cairo University, and I'm currently working as a pharmacist.
And what kind of English do you like the most?
I prefer British accent. I feel it's more elegant.
And you said you studied at a British school. So can you tell us more about that school? Like, did you learn the British accent, the British English, or that was just the British curriculum?
Okay, so my school was the British. I studied the British curriculum, but I didn't have British teachers. They were all Indian teachers.
Okay, right. So your teachers were not British, but the curriculum itself was British. That's why they might have called the school British. Am I correct?
Yes, exactly.
All right, nice. No problem. Asma, your English level is... That will be in the other video. Link in the bio and link in the first comment. لو عايز تعرف مستواي تقدر تشوف الانترفيو الكامل، هتلاقي اللينك في البايو او في اول كومنت. ولو عندك اي سؤال عن الكورسات ممكن تبعت لنا مسج دلوقتي.